What do a ballistic products factory, a company that makes motorcycle parts, and the one and only FORZA Laser have in common? Easy, they all use the FORZA Combo. Yeah, cutting, bending, and welding like you've got Optimus Prime working in your shop. You think just one machine is all you need to get the job done? No way, champ! You're missing half the business. The FORZA Combo is the holy trinity of metalworking. A metal cutter with millimeter precision, a bender that never fails, a laser welder with 4 functions. And it's not just us saying this, it's the people who use it every day who say so.
Well, the first machine was actually the laser cutter.
Stanor, that one.
That was actually the very first one we put on our dining table, so to speak.
Yeah.
And from there, we decided to do kind of a grow up. So we could say, okay, what else? Besides this, what else? Because the market is so big that we really felt we'd be way too limited in terms of what we could offer.
So then
We said, okay, what are the 3 or 4 components that are essential in a metalworking company?
we said,
Okay, the cutter, the bender, and obviously
the welder.
And when Martin says he doesn't depend on anyone, it's because with FORZA, his production is more autonomous than a Tesla. Raul doesn't have a workshop. It has a factory that looks like something out of science fiction, a high-powered cutter for heavy-duty work, and a carbon dioxide laser for details. And a level of productivity that many of us would envy.
What machines does the compressor assist?
the 3 of them. The 2 FORZA ones and the Ranger.
And the Ranger, exactly. That's great, Raul. You're totally loaded up.
We're ready for whatever comes. I don't know what for, but
But we are.
armed. We are, yeah.
And you? Do you have machines or do you have an ecosystem like Raul's? At FORZA, we use FORZA because if we didn't use it ourselves, why should you?
Today, we're gonna use and put into practice the use of the FORZA Laser combo, cutting, bending, and welding metal.
In Toluca, Monterrey, Guadalajara, or Ecatepec, the FORZA Combo doesn't just cut, bend, and weld metal. It creates businesses. It launches new production lines and turns workshops into high-performance factories.